Hey, what's up, bunnies? Welcome back to another video. You know what today is? Today is Ratchet Friday, and we gotta watch something Ratchet today. So we got more Karens, but these Karens are freaking out. It's Debb Bunni. I've seen so many videos of Karens just going nuts for no apparent reason. If you're new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notification if you want to see more videos like this.
You're asking me what?
I'm asking you to leave.
For what?
I'm refusing you service.
For what?
Because I can.
Why?
Because I have the right to refuse you
I
service.
have on a mask. She's refusing me service. And for what? I'm gonna leave this store because this lady just threatened to call the police on me. Maybe it's because I'm black, I'm not sure, but
I was just about to say that. I didn't want to say it, but she said it. It came right out her mouth for me. I'm about to say it's because she's black. Karens don't like Karens. I'm not even gonna say it. I'm not even gonna say it. We're just gonna keep going.
My name is Callista, and she's the assistant manager, and I'm leaving. She said she's gonna call the police on me.
Why?
I don't know why, but I have her on camera, and I'm gonna report this.
Okay, I legally refuse you service.
You can legally refuse me service for what?
For what though?
For what? I have on a mask. They checked my temperature at the door. Why am I getting refused? Why are you calling the cops on me? For what?
Exactly. She came into shop and she had her mask on. You took temperature, so now why do you refuse the service? You got no reason to refuse her service. Y'all make no sense.
He was all out of apple pie today.
Thank you.
Yep.
A young
Good.
Karen.
Good.
Wow.
Oh.
Karens are getting young. We getting young Karens on this video, okay?
Wow.
Your mom is
Record that, bitch.
real right.
Record that, bitch.
I am.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Dang.
Drive to, bitch. What's wrong with you?
She did not have to act like that.
I can record people too.
Yeah, you can.
Let's go.
You can record.
I don't even know what the shirt said. I don't know what the shirt said.
Watch this woman from the council completely go back on her word.
You can sing without an amplifier. The problem is the amplifier. People are trying to work. On a Saturday, there's probably nobody in the offices around here.
It's Saturday, and people are trying to work. People is off on Saturday, Karen. People are off on Saturday, Karen. You're probably the only person that's working on a Saturday. Leave these people alone.
That we looking for, should tumble and fall, all the mountain
I should be back in
should
enforcement.
crumble. I thought you said I could sing without an amplifier.
What's wrong with her?
That's what you said.
What is she doing? Oh my god. You can't just sing it out loud.
I won't cry, I won't cry, no I won't shed a tear, just as long as you stand by me. Everybody! So darling, darling, stand by me.
Oh, stand by me. Fuck out of here, Karen. Like, you told him he can't sing with his mic and shit, and then you gonna still talk about you gonna call law enforcement? What you calling law enforcement for? Why you so bitter? It's Saturday. He have a beautiful voice. Relax.
My cousin's crazy neighbor broke in and destroyed his apartment last night, and this is what happened.
Yo, this is what I'm saying, and then nobody get and then there's no consequence for people like this, yo. Why would you how do you break in somebody's house? You could go to jail for that. What the hell?
Follow for part 2.
What the fuck? All of my shit. Get the fuck out of my apartment.
She's really in his
You
crib.
fucking get out. Bye. The fuck out of my apartment. The fuck
Yo,
out of my
she
apartment.
has no pants on, no nothing. She's
The
really in
fuck
his
out. You
crib.
take your ass upstairs. Down here and you're fucking and shit.
Wow.
You got me fucked up.
She was really in his crib. She was really in his crib. Wow.
Show me. No.
You don't have to explain nothing to her.
Take the case off. That's mine. Literally didn't get it back.
Are you kidding me? You feel like there's only one ice?
Oh my gosh. I seen this one. She pissed me off so bad. Like, how do know that's your phone because people have same cases every day. Everybody have the same iPhone, same cases to iPhones. Like that's not your phone, bitch.
iPhone made in the world?
No, okay, then show me the.
No, you get
Why?
What's on your background? You better go use find my iPhone. Go do that.
Find My iPhone is on.
You
on
can't
now,
come in.
right
No, you can't. No,
I'm
you
the
can't.
manager of the hotel.
I don't care.
He will
This is
right
my
now.
son.
Hey,
Did you see me just come downstairs out of the fucking elevator?
I'm trying to help.
No, but you're not helping.
I
What
am.
you being
Right? You're not helping.
disrespectful.
Like, bye.
Settle the
No,
situation.
my
asking
son
for-
has nothing to do with her.
No.
I'm trying to figure out what's
right
going
And I
on.
think she went to jail or she had gotten charges against her for doing this shit.
Then show me the proof. No, he's not leaving. Show me the proof.
Are you
Who are you?
You better get on.
I need you away.
Let's go,
I
kid.
need you away.
I'm sorry.
Better get on. We have you see two black people.
No, I'm not letting him walk away with my phone.
That's not your phone, my nigga.
Better get on somewhere, lady.
Get my.
Karen go crazy at McDonald's to blame her diabetes. How are you blaming diabetes or being a Karen? What the hell? People, yo, oh my goodness, this is by far the worst Karen video I watched.
They need to quit talking and do a little work and be a little more professional.
Completely understand. I'm down fighting. What we can do at the moment.
Hang on, Marina.
Because I'm 40.
There's a number.
What's your license plate number?
I got you,
I
girl.
got a non-emergency number. I'm calling for this.
That what? That I Yes. I'm so sorry. I got diabetes and my blood sugar's low.
Oh my gosh! Wow, she really said that.
Excuse me.
She said, I got diabetes and my sugar is low. What do that have to do with you destroying everything? What is going on? Oh my God. I don't know what.
Matter of fact, I am calling 9-800 number. Wow.
They're spilling over that I got diabetes and my blood sugar's low.
Oh, dude. Dude, she threw her purse. Get your board back.
Excuse me? Ma'am, you can't.
Old Karens are the worst. Why are you old and bitter? Why would you throw your purse at him and then pick up his skateboard and start running? What?
What are you doing? What the hell are you doing?
You kidding me?
I'm not touching you.
Do not touch me.
I'm not touching you, but what are you doing?
I am sick and
And
tired.
What are you doing?
and they play
Every
victim.
day I come here, I'm sick and tired of you little idiots riding up and down
Wow.
screaming.
It's a
cursing.
public park.
She's
I can
crazy.
skate where I want. I
No,
can skate where I want,
You
man.
can't skate and
Take the
interfere with
board.
someone.
Take the.
Ma'am.
Get off me.
Ma'am, I'm not.
She's kicking.
Wow.
Surgery.
I'm filming everything. We didn't do anything.
Wow.
You're on film.
Everything's on
I'm just
camera.
letting you know
What's
you're
your
on
name?
film.
What's your name?
Don't worry about my name, but
I'm
you're on
calling
film.
the police.
For what?
You want
You can't call the
You
police
want
for
your
skateboarding.
skateboard back? Do you want it back?
I'm gonna take.
We're
it.
calling the police.
You can call the sheriff.
You need to calm down. You need to calm down. Right
We're
now.
calling the police. You're stealing our property.
Get off me, you little punk.
I'm not.
Get off me.
You need to give me my board back. If you're gonna,
No, I'll give you a board. You promise you won't skate here anymore?
I'm gonna skate where it's a public.
It's a
park.
public space.
It's a
No,
public
this
park.
is my
I can go where I
space.
want.
You come in front of me every day. You guys are saying the F word, the F bombs,
What?
the F
It's
bombs.
freedom of speech.
We can do what we want, man.
You know
I just
what?
need you to give my board back.
I live across the street.
I don't care
I
where you
live
live.
across the street.
I don't care where you
I have
live.
nowhere else to go.
Are
This is
you serious?
Get off
Man,
me.
you cannot take
Ow,
my
ow,
board like
my
that.
shoulder.
I'm not touching.
You're hurting
Dude, he didn't touch you at all. Yeah, I got everything on film.
I'm not touching
Security.
you. There's no security at a park. You can't, ma'am.
Yo,
You cannot
she
call
is
the police.
crazy.
Hello.
She is crazy.
Who is she calling? She ain't even dialing. She's crazy.
Yo, she is crazy. Are you serious? Are you serious?
It's not on the food pyramid. A lot of college students do not realize that the anus is not on the food pyramid.
What is she talking about?
You're not eating that.
Back the car up. Just back the car and pull out, bro.
No. Bird. Hey. Yeah, maybe I
Just back this up. You know her? Move her around, bro. Thank you. Move her around, bro. Go. Denzel, go.
He's not trying to run you over.
Bro.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Why you standing in front of his car? Why is she standing in front of his car?
Is this your wife? Is this your wife? Thank you.
You're a stupid
Touch me. Touch me.
Exactly.
Touch
what
me.
you said.
Touch me.
You exactly said it.
Touch me.
You just said it.
Touch me.
You just said it.
Bro, get your wife, Brody.
You just said it. You just said it.
Get your wife, Brody. You better get her. You better get her.
What the hell is wrong with her? And then he just standing there looking at her like he's scared to tell her to shut up. Like, I don't understand. Your man out there scared of the wife and shit.
Disgusting. Fucking piece of
Ma'am,
shit.
you're on camera. I would leave now before I call the police.
Yeah.
I will call the police if you don't leave. No, you are not permitted to grab my phone. You're not permitted to grab his hat.
Yeah.
I don't know where this behavior is coming from.
And
Just
guess
let
what?
him be. Just let
Show
him be.
his uniform. Show his
Just
uniform.
Let him be.
Show his uniform. You disgrace the U.S.
You disgrace the U.S. What the fuck are you talking about?
Disgrace the USA. You fucking piece of shit. You put me on it. You put me on it. You put me on the freaking. Put me on. Put me on.
Hey Williams, can you,
Put me on.
can you give me Chief's number? What's Chief? Chief
That's
Emmett,
not a
Chief
uniform.
Powers.
You piece of fucking shit.
Chief Powers.
Can't we just be mad at themselves and then take it off on other people?
Pick up the old piece of shit.
Pick up the shit. Right, throw it on down, I'll punch you in the face.
Oh my fucking gosh. She just picked up the shit and threw it at him. He had all rights to slap the shit out of her, yo.
I'm walking shit.
I cannot believe that. Are you serious? Are you serious? Yo, this was by far the worst Karen video I watched. The worst Karen video I ever watched. Yo, Karen, yo. I thought the last two was bad. But these, it took it. Like, come on now. Come on now. How dare you pick up shit and throw it at him? These Karens are crazy. Oh my gosh. I'm mind blown from this shit. This will be the end of my video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and do not forget to share my channel. Also, follow me on all my social medias, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And I'll see you next time in another one of my videos.